Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on BestBuy. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bestbuy.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official BestBuy website. Now if you don't already have an account, then click on the account icon at the top section and then click on create account. You will now be taken into the sign up page where you will simply need to enter your details. Type in your first and your last name followed by your email address and your preferred password for your account. Type in your desired password once again for confirmation and then enter your phone number. After entering all of these details, click on create an account and proceed forward with the sign up process. You can also click on sign up with Google in order to sign up with a shortcut. After entering your account information and continuing forward, you will be taken into your newly created account right away. Also make sure to check your inbox or your SMS to find the verification code if you are prompted to enter one. Once you click on the verify email link, your account will be activated right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on BestBuy. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.